How to open Exness MT4 account. Hello everyone. Today, I will guide everyone on how to open Exness MT4 account in the simplest and most accurate way. To open an Exness account, access the following address: trading68.com/Exness. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open an Exness account. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing Exness. To open an Exness account, click Register. Exness requires you to complete the information including country, region of residence, email address and password. Please fill in the information in order. For your password, please note that the password must be 8 to 15 characters long, at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. The partner code is optional. I will skip it. This is a confirmation that you are not a US citizen. Exness has ticked this box. When you have completed all the information, click Continue. Next, you need to choose the type of trading account. There are two types: demo account and real account. In the demo account, you can try trading with a virtual amount of $10,000 and cannot withdraw. In the real account, you can use real money to trade and can withdraw. I will choose real account. To be able to deposit and start trading, you need to verify the information. Click Complete Profile to start the verification process. The verification steps include confirm email address, confirm phone number, and add profile information. Click Get Started Now. Exness has sent you an email with a verification code. You need to check your email to get the code. Open a new tab to access your Gmail. This is the email that Exness sent me. If you can't find the Exness email in your inbox, click on More. Then click on the Spam section to check. Now, let's open the email Exness sent. This is the verification code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. The next step is to confirm phone number. Click Confirm Phone. Here, enter your phone number. Then click Continue. This is the verification code Exness has just sent. Enter the code here. The final step of verification process is to add profile information for the account. Click Complete now. This is the interface for Add Profile Information section. You need to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, country of birth, gender, and residential address. When you have completed all the information, click Continue. Next, you need to complete the survey questions given by Exness. You can answer these questions quickly, because this part is not important and does not affect your future trading process. Please tick the boxes below to confirm your risk level. After you have finished answering, click Submit. This is the notification, Contact details verified. The next step is verifying your identity. Click Verify Identity now. In this section, you need to upload a type of document for verification. Here, check your name again. If you want to edit the information, click Edit. When you're sure your info is correct, click Upload Documents. This is the Data USA Agreement section. If you are not a citizen or resident of the United States, click here. If you are, click here. Then click Continue. Go to the Verify Identity section. Select the country region that issued your identity document. If you want to change, click here. Select your identity document. You can choose passport, driver's license, ID card, or residence permit. I choose ID card. The next step is to take a photo of your ID. Here are some requirements when uploading photos, please read carefully. If you want to upload documents using your phone, click here. Or you can follow me to upload documents from your computer. click here to upload a photo of the front side of the document. Similarly, click here to upload a photo of the back side of the document. After uploading photos of both sides of the document, click Submit Documents. You can click Edit to reload the document. Then, click Submit Documents. Your documents are under review. After the identity verification process is complete, you can proceed to deposit and start trading. The final step is to verify the address, but you can skip this step as Exness only requires you to verify your address when you deposit over $2,000. Now, please go to My Account section. This is where you manage your trading accounts. Exness has divided the account into two parts, Real Account and Demo Account. This is the MT5 standard Real Account that Exness created for users. And this is the MT5 standard Demo Account that Exness also created for users. Now, I will guide you how to open another MT4 account. Click Open Account. Exness offers various account types: Standard, Pro, Raw Spread, Zero, and Standard Cent. I will choose Standard Account because it's popular and suitable for everyone. Then, click Continue. Here, you can choose to open a demo account or a real account. Choose the real account. Exness requires you to complete the information including currency, account nickname, max leverage, flat form, and account password. Please fill in the information accordingly. In the platform, you choose MT4. For your password, please note that the password must be 8 to 15 characters long, at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. Click Create Account. The trading account has been successfully created. This is the MT4 account I just created. To log into the Exness account you just created in the trading platform, you need server name, login account number, and password of the account. To find your account information, click here. Click Account Information. This is the account information table. You can find the server name and login account number here. If you want to change your trading account password, click here. Then, click Change Trading Password. Now, you can log into your account and start trading. You can refer to the video tutorial How to Download and Use MT4, which I have given in the description of this video. Thus, I have finished guiding you on how to open Exness MT4 account. I wish you success in the account opening process. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.